Done.
For the sake of love.
Original root boy, Mr. Flame.
I like that. Mastercraft on the beat.
For the sake of love.
Ìbọn lọ́wọ́ ọba aláwọ̀ bí ọba tẹ́rẹ̀rẹ̀ kárí ayé, ọba tó ń ṣílẹ̀kùn tẹ́nìkan ò lè tì, ọba tó ń tilẹ̀kùn tẹ́nìkan ò lè ṣí, ọba tó ń sòkúdà láàyè, ọba tó ń sọ alààyè dòkú. Mo wá rì fún mo gbé ọjà amóyìn ológun ọlọ́run ọba ọ̀gá àgbà. Lórí ètò lẹ́ni èmi nìkan kọ́ ni mo wà lórí ètò. Kí lorúkọ ètò náà? Kí lorúkọ ètò tá à ń ṣe? À ń pè ní ìṣọ̀kan. Kí ni ìtumọ̀ ìṣọ̀kan ní èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì? Wọ́n pè ní unity. Unity in our Nigeria, let me say in Obodo Nigeria, abi let me say in our environment, in our surroundings. Hey, not only me come to this Ogbonge TV show. Now me and my brother. Hey, brother, what is your name?
My name is Ibe.
Ibe.
T plus.
Aka
Ugonwanne.
Only Ibo, brother. Greet your people for us now.
Ndị ba ekene m unu mma no. Igbo nwere n'ofu. Ndị ba ekenekwa m unu. Igbo bili ka mbili, nwanne bili, ibe ebili, nyakwa n'ọtọ nwanne. Maka na aha eji tiwuo ama nwanne mmadụ. Maka na asị na ọ na wafịa ọbara ndị ahụ mana ọdụ mma ayazi kọnyatana ife na-akpa n'ebe niile onye ọna na-eti onye ebe niile asị n'obodo adịrọ mma eziokwu n'obodo adịrọ mma mana batana ka anyị dozie n'obe anyị ka anyị kwuru n'ofu ife anyị na-ekwu maka unity because unity a na-ekwu na akwụkwọ nọ ofu onye na-eme unity because ofu isi aha mi mkpụrụ abi understand menu ka bai wuru bai bonye ọzọ awụbụ onye ọzọ maka nke mụ nke anyị nke onye ọzọ donu bịa na ka anyị nọkọnyata n'ọnụ ka anyị gbakọ ọnụ Igbo niile gbasasịrị ebe niile bịa na ka anyị bukọta onwe anyị ọnụ ka anyị nwere ofu obi wee na-achị obodo nwere ofu obi wee na-eme ife niile a na-eme because ọ bụrụ na enweghị ofu obi a sị na family enweghị ofu obi na ilo na-ada adụ na bikonu menu ka anyị gbakọnyata n'ọfụma ife anyị na-ekwu maka unity because some people are saying that we Igbos we know they marry Yorubas.
Waiting.
And I can say, waiting be the problem.
I don't know.
Waiting be the problem. Because sometimes people they say Yorubas, they marry one husband. They walk out place to place. They go many places. Now you get it for. I thought no one Nigeria kind of.
Abi now, not be one Nigeria.
Onye opuna no fu obodo. Onye free benanoro. Onye fonye ọcha na nụrụ mana bata n'obodo be nna gị nụrụ onye dowo mma ka obodo kwukọta n'ofu that unity a na-ekwu n'ịnụrụ Yoruba award that na maka na onwe ka akwụ na adọrọ even though you go to your village say na your main town they are also that place they still have a prostitute there.
Abi
I get me because what I'm saying that some people in this this Nigeria we are saying now, some people the reason why they say they cannot marry Yorubas or they cannot marry Hausa, or maybe they prefer to marry Hausa is because of the way Yorubas are behaving.
Like what? Tell me.
You know they say Yoruba when you marry them, and so when you marry them they cannot stay one place, then they walk place to place.
Let me ask my people. Ẹ̀yin mi ṣe tó tọ́ ni. Rí pé aráàlú wa ó ti fẹ́ fi èdè Igbo èdè ìlú rẹ̀ fẹ́ fi wá kó fi kó wa lómi ọbẹ̀ jẹ irọ́ ni kò jọ gbogbo èdè lọ́lọ́ ń gbọ́ wọ́n ní wípé àwọn Yorùbá wa wọ́n nítorí wípé àwọn ọmọ wa ní Yorùbá wọn kì í fẹ́ ọkọ kan tó bá ti fẹ́ ọkọ ilé wọ́n mú wọn filẹ̀ wọ́n ti lọ fẹ́ mi wọ́n filẹ̀ ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ṣe rí èmi sọ wípé rárá o me I disagree no be so. No be so if they happen for this Obodo Nigeria. Even for my own tribe, where I know, where I say I come from, where I say me I be one chief for one area for my own town. We Yorubas, we know if we marry one husband, that husband we go our wife and they talk our woman. Now there they go stay till their husband maybe till their eternity. No be say you go see them say they marry today, they come marry. You know say far word. Or if you see me, if you the way you can say, if you don't move closer to me, go things I be bad. You don't know the kind of character I be now. But that is outside world. You know, anything where we say and they talk something bad person, bad thing about me. if you no move closer, how you go know say I dey do that thing?
They do bad.
You just see say if you come move closer, just say this oga no dey behave like this o. That mean say those people just wan use that thing tarnish him image, so that you no go say this man na bad person. Na the thing wey happen for this thing be that o. Me I know say as I be Yoruba, I fit marry Hausa, I fit marry Igbo, I fit marry Niger Delta, I fit marry Ebira, because all of them we are one Nigeria. As far as we say I pledge to Nigeria my country, you know, all those things we don say one nation. That nation na the unity na im be the koko. If we unite ourselves, both Yoruba, Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba fit marry from Hausa, Hausa fit marry from Igbo, Igbo fit marry from Yoruba, you know, Yoruba fit marry from Igbo, we no go dey have any problem, okay? But come say I be Igbo, I no fit marry Hausa, I no fit marry Yoruba, I no fit marry Hausa. Abeg, na people dey say kedu kolu na sabi, but I know say as far as say we be Nigerian, we never depart, we still unite. Let us show unity among of ourselves, because if we say we no show unity, Yoruba dey talk say pansa ofura pasajana aja ofura ajaji, bonile o ba fura ole ni oko. The meaning with all the gbogbo wey I talk na we say if we know the fura mean say we know the let me put am say we know the take time, they go rub us o, and the enmity go start. You know say we dey talk about Yoruba. What of Muslim and Christian also? Them say
na their problem dey, because what I even dey suggest is that
we say wetin?
What even dey suggest about this Christian and Muslim, why each time the Muslim are also there will be massacre a Christian, you understand? In the church or maybe in the house.
Do you think say that thing be na true? Abeg ma tell you that thing, all those things wey dem do na politics o. Both say Boko Haram today and yes-men tomorrow. All those things na politics. The same politics where they used to carry they used to pursue Jonathan, where they used to carry, where they use and bring Buhari. Now that same politics they want use also to tackle Buhari, bring back another person. If you want to say okay, my brother, abeg tell me. So since where we don't know ourselves now, abeg, I don't kill you before.
No, you know.
I don't hurt you.
But it gets something where I even dey suggest.
Wetin? Tell people.
As I dey like this, I be Christian.
Yes.
As you dey like this,
I be yes na.
You get one meeting wey we dey do for Christian.
Okay.
Where everybody go gather.
Yes.
We do that meeting for church. You understand? But that meeting wey be say we dey do am, after that meeting, all of us go say na this thing we go be, and that thing na this thing go be. But I come dey wonder why all these people wey be say na them be Boko Haram, they no dey go that meeting concern the unity. Let me
tell you this, make people also there, make I also enlighten some of my people. Abeg, Buhari na Muslim abi na Christian?
Na Muslim.
Osinbajo na Muslim abi na Christian?
Na Christian.
Abeg, wetin we dey talk for? But the head na Muslim, the second, the first man na Muslim, second man na Christian. Why we now say we want to use that one to kill ourselves? No, say this thing where we dey talk say Muslim and Christian about unity, say they kill yourself. Try to know say there is something behind this issue. If you no want me, you go dey talk a bad thing about me. People work on the website, they know they together with say na so this person be. Even if they see you say you be bad person, they go talk that thing for your back. They go dey talk am for your mind, for their mind. They no go talk that thing, that work to you. But if we as a masses, as a woman being, as a Nigerian, we see say all those people they no be Muslim. Or as you see Boko Haram Muslim they among them, Christian they among them, you are Yoruba they among, Hausa they among. Now so on, also all the time, so they among go. Boko Haram no be only say na Muslim.
So me wetin dey tell me say this Boko Haram na politics dem dey do.
My brother, that one no be na politics, but the secret of Boko Haram, those people wey we say they are at the top, they know the secret. But for this, for media houses, you know say we as a media, we no go talk wetin be say Hey, if you talk something now, they will say, tomorrow, where Kill Edge Entertainment TV show studio day? They will begin to say, you know, it's better more we leave them. But waiting,
okay, the problem where I see, the problem I notice now, now the truth.
Now the truth. Who want talk the truth? Who want? Now you go talk about me. If you talk truth today now, they go kill you. But Yoruba people they talk say, buy money. Ododo buy kakuso ba so aku make you talk the truth. If you don't talk you will die. But oga ma tell you, as at this Nigeria where you dey so, if you yet go, if you know even dey chop anything, if you dey chop the money, you no go wait to hear the second time. So hear the second one, you go run go come out for that say go your house be say na because say you still have this your precious time, you still believe say you can still make it. But to be say na this na politics and wetin dey there be say make we unite. Eje ka se isokan, abeg help me tell my people in your own language make we unite.
Ndị bai ayo mo yopo n'ọzọ. Ịmana a na-ekwu ife a ọ dị ka form of no nwere ife ọzọ eji ekwu. Ife eji ekwu ife enwe ife ọzọ that na. Maka na ọ na-awọ ọfịa ọbara ndị ahụ abi mana anyị kpụkọnye ọnụ anyị mezie ebe anyị amaghị ife na-ese na mgbago, anyị amaghị ife na-ese na mbana, mana biko nu ka anyị fụ n'onwe anyị n'anya win Igbos, because ebe anyị nwere problem Igbos anyị afụghị onwe anyị n'anya, maka na ọ na-afụrụ onwe anyị n'anya ife niile a na-afịọ n'anya mekọsị Christian ama na Christian o Christian Muslim, because sometimes we Christian, yes, now we they do ourselves sometimes, you understand? But Muslim they sincerely. I don't see. I can't ask. Does it mean that na Christian no they sincerely?
Let me tell you one thing. No be as you did to your side. I make that thing also did to our side, because I don't want to say because I be Muslim now. May I can't support my person. See. As Christian, bad Christian dey, why bad Muslim also dey? Okay? Bad Christian dey, why bad Muslim also dey? That matter, no be we go solve that matter on our God. God just know. What we go just say? See, for this now this our Nigeria, now we get highest church. Now we get more Muslim power. Say then they be confirmed Muslim. Now all chill. Now then they vote for Nigeria. Both Hausa, both Yoruba, both Igbo. But I beg you, waiting be our problem. Waiting be our problem. One thing I want make my people know say be say, hey, this unity if they important, if they very very important. Make we unite. Both Hausa, both Yoruba, both Igbo, both Yoruba, Hausa, Christian, Muslim, Mona unite. Let me quickly jump to our parlor, our advert parlor. Hey, I want try to knock the Gbedu where they go on Dafina Place supermarket, which they at number 4th Avenue, F close beside One Nation Hotel, after Mobile Filling Station by 23 Road, First Town, Lagos. If you want buy any kind, either you want do shopping, you want barb, you want do nail, you want fix, you want do makeup, you want even even makeup artists, then they Dafina. Hey, Dafina Place, they are the best where it come to shopping. Hey, I still want to turn down miscommunication. Hey, I mean, ohun ẹlẹ́rìn dòdò àìdá àti ti ilẹ̀ wa àbí ti òkè òkun ẹ lọ sí miscommunication wọ́n wà ní ọjà Owóròlù bus stop ní Morogbo Àgbàrá ní ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó. Ẹ lọ sí miscommunication bó jẹ́ cheap product ẹ fẹ́ rà ní àbí àwọn product mi bó ní títí ilẹ̀ wa àti òkun Bájínátù ní Pásábìtà ní Aleko ní gbogbo ẹ lọ sí gbogbo ti go to miscommunication. Abeg I still want to knack you this big company, Agnes International Prime Limited. Then they shop 1 Gabi Plaza, by school bus stop Iba in Lagos town. Go there, go and buy what you want buy. go Agnes Communication, go there. Agnes International Prime Limited wọ́n wà ní shop 1 Gabi Plaza ìyànà school bus stop Ìbà ní ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó. Bẹ́ẹ̀ fẹ́ ra cheap product ní Hollandia ní Happy Hour ní Exotic ní Chivita ní gbogbo tí gbó cheap product ẹ lọ síbẹ̀. Bó dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé fẹ́ ra títí Fresh Yo Company, go to Agnes International Prime Limited. Na then they do am. Okay, we still dey on the matter na as we dey go. Me na my name you know yipada o orúkọ mi ò yipada Adéwálé ọmọ Olúbọ Àkàndá Bíbíire. Hey my brother, wetin be your name also? Make dem
na ụmụnne m afọ m T+ Ugochukwu onye ụlọ ụmụ afọ onweghị onye ọzọ anyị jikwa mmeka wepụta maka Kileju
Entertainment TV. If you want to watch show, go to Kileju Entertainment TV on YouTube channel. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel today. Hey, if you go to Kileju Entertainment, just click on YouTube, subscribe am, okay? If you subscribe am, God will subscribe to your life, okay? Go, you can also go to our website kilejuentertainment.com. You know, as you go, just go to Kileju Entertainment, just type am, go there, go see wetin. If you want to be part of our program, you too, you want to become presenter in live program, or you want to become what's it called? DJ, sponsorship, everything. Or you want us to come and cover your program, just go to Kileju Entertainment today. Hey, our number 07065510379. Once again, 07065510379. You can also call us at this number 08106551568. Once again, 08106551568. Hey, call our admin today. Kileju Entertainment, they are the best when it comes to Omo, my brother.
See, my brother, he get something with still our matter. I still dey look about this Yoruba and Igbo and Hausas.
Okay.
Because the why I'm saying so is that we Igbo, we know they marry Yorubas. Understand? But sometimes I come dey look and say, but maybe because I don't look for my side though. I go see some people where our people where travel for Cameroon.
Yeah, okay.
They go there, my wife come back.
Okay.
But I never see them.
Ma tell you wetin happen. For we Yoruba, sometimes if you see Yoruba when you marry Igbo, you get one reason. They say una Igbo woman. Now they say they say all those Igbo. If you want marry Igbo, they say you get money because you want. They say 500,000 naira, and you know, person wey no get money, like for somebody like me now, we say I no get money. I beg, if they say that if I want marry their pikin or I defend their pikin, they can say 1 million. I beg, where I want to see that money. Hey, where I want to see that money is better, so that this program more try to make it short today.
But you know, say marriage no dey finish.
That's so.
Marriage na just small. If even though you no get money, it doesn't mean you cannot marry. For our land. Understand? Okay. The same thing it happen for our side. The same thing it happen for my own side.
Okay, if na that to be the case, so.
But in this case, I see they ask, wetin they make Yoruba? No, they like to go for Yoruba.
Let us throw that thing. That matter make we throw am to our people.
Make them answer.
Make them answer am. By next week Sunday, the same program will soon happen at Kileju Entertainment TV. You know, me Adéwálé ọmọ Olúbọ, may I greet myself, may I call myself with my oriki. What be oriki? May I call my oriki because this program now, they don't tell us say we have only a minute, and that a minute may use am to okay, then they go sponsor. Hey, orúkọ mi kò tí yí padà. Èmi ni Adéwálé ọmọ Olúbọ Àkàndá Bíbíire, ọmọ wọn labí ti ìlú Ìwó, olóyè ńlá. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ kábíyèsí ọba Abdulrasheed Adéwálé Àkànbí, tẹ̀lú alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ Olúwo tilẹ̀ Ògúnṣe. Kábíyèsí. Ṣé Igwe? Igwe. Because my king, na he be the king of Yoruba, king of Hausa, king of Igbo. Because my king na Emir. You can call her Emir, you can call her Igwe, you can call her Oba. So therefore, I greet my king. I say, may you live long, my king. Torí ẹ̀, hey. ọmọ ńlá bíi ti ìlú Ìwó ìlú mi ni ìlú Ìwó ọmọ olódò ọba èmi lọ́mọ atẹ́nigbọ́lá ọmọ atẹ́nigbọ́rẹ́ Ìwó tí ò nílẹ̀kùn bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni a kò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ eru wẹ́wẹ́ náà fi ń délé kì í ṣe ẹrú o eru wẹ́wẹ́ náà fi ń délé nílé baba tóbi náà wọn torí náà my brother yìí nǹkan.
ụmụnne m ekene m ụnụ wee na-ekenekwa igwe be anyị wee na-ekenekwa igwe niile gbara okirikiri na anụ Igbo niile maka na asị nke onye shi na zere wee na-ekenekwa na dis ọmasha program ka anyị butere onye fụ nwanne na-agwa nwanne onye fụ ibe na-agwa ibe na ife anyị ji maka wee bịa ife ọma na ọ bụrụ ife ọjọọ biko nụ ka anyị kpọkọrịta n'onwe anyị ọnụ wee kwuru n'ofu wee mara ebe anyị si wee bịa maka na mmiri na-erizi anyị nwe Igbo mmiri na-erizi anyị n'ọnụ ọ na-awụ nwata na-atụ aka ọ bụ na nne ya anọ ya ba ụmụnne ya nọdụ aba nne ya nọdụ aba mana ife na-atụ aka enwefe ọzọ dị ife nji ebupụta omume ebe a ka m gwa ụnụ na ọ na-ewezi m iwe nya mere nji bupụta omume ebe a ka anyị kelee onwe anyị wee kwukọrịta n'ofu wee na-asị donu ka a kwuru n'ofu wee jikọta obi ọnụ ka anyị wee zụta oke anyị wee zụta ife niile na-ese ka Mose na Igbo wee wuru n'ofu otu a ka ọ dụ biko nụ afa m Ugochukwu T+ nke onye na ụmụ afọ Ugo nwanne.
Okay, till next week we shall meet on Killer Edge Entertainment in this matter unity. What should we call her? Unity. Till next week, Biko. Good night.
Those that I'm supposed to love are those that I hate.